USA then versus now. A journey through 10 years. Intro. Dramatic light music. Aerial view of USA 10 years. A lot can change in a decade. And when it comes to the United States of America, the transformation is truly incredible. Let's take a look. How was the USA 10 years ago? And how is it now? Technology. Then versus now. Visuals. 2014 smartphones. Old iPads. Now modern tech like iPhones. AI tools. Electric cars. In 2014, we had iPhone 6, and Uber was still a new idea. Fast forward to today. The USA leads the world with AI, self-driving cars, Elon Musk's Tesla, and the rise of ChatGPT. Technology didn't just evolve, it exploded. 3. Lifestyle and cities visual. Old city clips. The modern views of NYC, LA, Chicago with lights, towers, clean streets. 10 years ago, American cities were already icons, but now, skyscrapers shine brighter, streets are smarter, and everything is connected. From New York to Los Angeles, the future is now. Scene 4. Famous places and tourism. Visuals. Statue of Liberty. Times Square. Grand Canyon. Disneyland. Then versus now. The charm of the USA's landmarks never faded. The Statue of Liberty still stands proud. Times Square still glows, but now it welcomes even more global tourists than ever before. Disneyland. Still magical, only more high-tech and interactive than ever. 5. Social media and culture. Visuals. 2014 Facebook. Old YouTube look. Now TikTok. Reels. Influencers in 2014. Facebook ruled. Now, it's the age of TikTok and Instagram Reels. American culture continues to lead the global trends. Music, fashion, entertainment, all born in the heart of the USA 6. Challenges and growth. Visuals. COVID times. Economic shifts. Protests. Then recovery. The journey wasn't easy. From the COVID-19 pandemic to social movements, the USA faced tough times. But with strength and resilience, it rose back, smarter, stronger, united. 7. Final montage. Beautiful visuals of modern USA. Smiling faces, tech, nature. From past to present, the United States of America has changed. Not just in appearance, but in power, passion, and potential. This is not just a country, it's a story of progress. And the next 10 years, even more amazing.